Welcome to Saloni's Simple Kitchen. You know what this may I drink? A pumpkin punch. Check out the video. So for our pumpkin punch, you're gonna need about 2 1/3 cups of pumpkin puree. We're gonna need some vanilla powdered milk, and I'm using about 120 grams. You're also gonna need some nutmeg, 1/4 cup of sugar or to taste, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla for flavoring. So first things first, let's add our pumpkin puree to a blender. I'm gonna go ahead now and add the vanilla flavored powdered milk. So I'm gonna add in the salt to taste, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, nutmeg, so just a little bit of nutmeg. So around 2 pinches. And I'm gonna add in the sugar. Now we want to add some water to the blender to bring everything together. Yes, so I'm gonna cover the blender and give that a blend until everything is smooth. So everything is blended and smooth. Yes, so let's give this a taste. Yes, that's perfect. That's perfect, 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 guys. You've got to give this a try. Yes, look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Easy Jamaican pumpkin punch. Now, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes. Peace.